In this video I'll be showing you how to get more flip coins and money for the house flipper. So I've got the house flipper plus plus mode APK installed on my device, and this house flipper plus plus mode is working for both Android and iOS devices. No auto jailbreak is required. I have it on my iPhone, but it is also working for every Android device. So how this mode works: when you want to get more money, you need to click on that money icon right here, and when you do this, it is only working for the mode APK. You will be getting 1 million of the money, and it's very simple to get unlimited money. And the same goes for the flip coins. So if you want more flip coins, you need to click on that flip coin icon right here, and each click will give you 1k of the flip coins. So it's also very simple. And yeah, I've got the mode from the bluedeals.club. So if you want to get it for your device, then go to your browser, go to this bluedeals.club and find here the house flipper mode. Click on the game icon and select your platform, Android or iOS. So I have an iPhone, I will be clicking the iOS button, but if you have an Android, you will be clicking the Android button. And when you do this, when you click on your platform, the game will be downloaded for your device automatically. But for me, I don't need to download it again because I already have it on my device right here, the house flipper plus plus. And if you guys have any troubles with downloading, you can always check the how to download video tutorial, which is right here, and you'll be able to get any app or game from this list. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the unlimited flip coins and money or the house flipper, and take care. Bye.